Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking all about roasting pans. We'll explore the best options for achieving perfectly roasted meats and veggies, from budget-friendly picks to high-end favorites. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, we've got something for you. Let's dive in and find your perfect roasting pan. Number 1. Circulon Steel Non-Stick Roasting Pan. Not every roasting pan boasts a non-stick surface, but having one can significantly ease cleanup. The Circulon roasting pan features a non-stick coating both inside and out, facilitating the removal of food residues and drips effortlessly. Interior raised circles further prevent drippings from adhering stubbornly. Included is a U-shaped rack that elevates food from the pan bottom, minimizing contact and ensuring even cooking without compromising your roast. The rack's sturdy handles aid in safe removal of your culinary masterpiece from the pan. Vertical, double-riveted handles contribute to efficient oven and cabinet use. Despite its non-stick advantage, the pan's heat tolerance peaks at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, a consideration for high-temperature cooking. Rolled edges enhance pouring precision for sauces and drippings, while dishwasher-safe, hand washing is recommended by Circulon for longevity. Storage proves challenging due to its substantial dimensions, 17 inches in length, coupled with tall sides and a raised rack height, which may pose difficulties in compact kitchens. Pros: non-stick interior and exterior, inexpensive, vertical handle, construction is easy to clean. Cons: only oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2. Farberware Classic Steel Roaster with Flat Rack. If you're in the market for a compact roasting pan, Farberware offers a sleek option that measures 11 inches wide by 15 inches long. Despite its lightweight steel construction, it provides ample space for a substantial rack of lamb or large chicken. The pan features a non-stick coating, ensuring easy food release and effortless cleaning. Its chrome-plated rack keeps proteins elevated, preventing them from sitting in juices and aiding in versatile cooking options. While not suitable for stovetop use, its manageable size facilitates pouring drippings into a saucepan for gravy making without hassle. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the non-stick surface, and its performance and value are commendable given its modest price. Besides roasting, its shape accommodates diverse uses like lasagna, casseroles, or even baking brownies. With a maximum heat tolerance of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it's an ideal choice for those with limited kitchen space or who cook for smaller gatherings. Number 3. Cuisinart Multi-Clad Pro Stainless Steel Roasting Pan with Rack. Cuisinart offers a versatile roasting pan tailored to meet the culinary demands of most households. Constructed with an aluminum core and stainless steel finish, it ensures durable performance without the risk of rusting. The pan features an integrated stainless steel rack that enhances heat circulation around your meat, allowing drippings to collect underneath. The rack is conveniently removable for easy access to your roast. Equipped with cool grip handles, the pan remains cool to touch even when used on the stovetop, enhancing safety during handling. A precision-engineered pouring rim minimizes spills, ensuring clean and precise pouring of juices and sauces. Capable of accommodating turkeys, chickens, and large roasts, this pan is an invaluable addition for dinner parties and holiday gatherings. Despite its generous capacity, its 20.5-inch by 13.2-inch dimensions ensure it fits comfortably in kitchen cabinets, dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. It also comes with a lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind for long-term use. Pros: good capacity, dishwasher safe, lifetime warranty, plenty of room for a roast and sides. Cons: handles add a few inches to pan width. Number 4. All-Clad Stainless Steel Flared Roasting Pan with Rack. When selecting a Thanksgiving turkey, the size you choose depends on how many guests you intend to serve. All-Clad offers flexibility with its stainless steel flared roasting pan, available in large and extra-large sizes. The extra-large version accommodates turkeys up to 25 pounds, ideal for most dinner parties and holiday feasts. Designed with a built-in rack and low, flared sides, the pan ensures even cooking and supports your roast securely. Crafted with a 3-ply construction featuring an aluminum core and stainless steel interior and exterior, the pan guarantees durability and non-reactive cooking surfaces. Riveted stainless steel handles facilitate easy oven maneuvering and stovetop handling. Notably, the pan withstands temperatures up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for versatile use including stovetop gravy preparation. While technically dishwasher safe, All-Clad recommends hand washing to maintain its pristine condition over time. Pros: huge cooking capacity, dishwasher safe, high heat tolerance, large riveted handles for carrying ease. Cons: maybe too large for some needs. Number 5. Caraway Non-Stick Ceramic Roasting Pan. If cleaning up after roasting is a chore you'd rather avoid, the Caraway Roasting Pan offers a straightforward solution. Its ceramic coating ensures a non-stick surface, simplifying cleanup as food easily releases with minimal effort. While the stainless steel rack requires a bit more attention, it remains manageable. During testing, the pan accommodated a 13-pound turkey, even when spatchcocked, suggesting it could handle larger birds with ease. Large side handles facilitate easy lifting, while the rack's handles aid in safe removal for resting food while the pan transitions to the stove for gravy preparation. The excellent non-stick properties prevent drippings from overly browning, though this was a minor observation as the resulting gravy remained superb. Available in various colors to complement other Caraway cookware or add a vibrant touch to your kitchen, this pan promotes clean and health-conscious cooking with its non-toxic ceramic coating, free from harmful materials like PFOA, PTFE, lead, cadmium, or toxic metals. Pros: sturdy rack included, very non-stick, multiple colors to choose from, great handles. Cons: less likely to create a fond.